In this video, I will tell you how to find LCM and HCF in one solution. So let's start the video. Let's understand the method with the help of question. Let's see the question number 1. We have to find out the LCM and HCF of 5, 15 and 25. So I will see that is 5 is divisible by 2, is 15 is divisible by 2, is 25 is divisible by 2. If 2 is not able to divide, then we will go to the next prime number, that is 3. Okay, so we have to check with the 3. If 3 is not able to divide, then we will go to the next prime number. So we have to check that, and we have to know that with which prime number the given numbers can be divided. Okay, I observe that 5 is able to divide 5, 15 and 25. So I will take what? 5. Okay, so let's divide with 5. If 5 will divided by 5, then you will get what? 1. If 15 will divided by 5, then you will get what? 3. If 25 will divided by 5, then you will get what? 5. Okay, so what the thing we have and what the thing we have to do? Okay, stop. We have to stop when the 3 number is not divisible by any one number. 1 is different number, 3 is different number, and 5 is also different number, and it can't be divided by any one number. So I have stopped. Okay, so let's see the sides. Okay, the left side and the right side. Okay, the left side, what we have? The left side we have 5. Okay, left side will be always will be HCF. So the 5 will be what? HCF. Your HCF will be 5. Getting? Now we have to see left side and right side together. That means what the left side we have? We have 5. So write 5. Okay, what the right side we have? We have 3 and 5. That means 5 into 3 into 5 we have to do. Then we will get what? 75. That means HCF is 5 and LCM is, yes, 75. So by the help of one solution we can find out HCF and LCM. If you have understood, you can stop the video. Okay, and if you want to get more knowledge, then keep watching. So let's understand the method by the more questions, more solutions. Okay, see the question number 2. 24, 36 and 12 we have. Okay, that means we have to see by which number it can be divided. So I have taken what? The smallest number. With the help of smallest number I have started. So 2 can be divided 24, 36 and 12. Okay, so I have started with 2. Then we have got what? 12, 18 and 6. Again I have seen here is 12, 18 and 6. It can be divided by 3 also, but you have to start with the lowest number. Always you have to start with the lowest number. Okay, so 2 can be divided, so I have divided by 2. So you have got what? 6, 9 and 3. Now here is 6, 9 and 3, and 3 can't be divided by 2. I have taken what? 3. So if you will divide 6 with 3, then you will get 2, then 3 and 1 you will get. Okay, so what you have to see? You have to see the left side and the right side. Okay, so what I have told you, if you find out the value of HCF, then you have to see the left side. Okay, so what the left side we have? 2 into 2 into 3. So what the value, if you will multiply 2 into 2 into 3, you will get, that is 12. Okay, so if you want to find out LCM, that means we have to see left side also and right side also. Okay, so left side what we have? 2 into 2 into 3, and the right side what we have? That is 2 into 3. If you will multiply, if you will solve, then you will get what? 72. So 72 is your LCM, and HCF we have 12. Let's understand the question or the method by the more solutions. We have one more question, that is 42, 54 and 36. We have to find out what? Yes, LCM and HCF. Okay, 2 can divide 42 also, 54 also, and 36 also. So if you'll divide 42 by 2, then you'll get what? 21. If you'll divide 54 by 2, then you'll get 27. If you'll divide 36 with 2, then you'll get what? 18. Now here is 21, 27 and 18. 21 can be divided by 2, so don't take 2, go to the 3 number. So if you'll divide 21 by 3, then you'll get what? 7. If you'll divide 27 by 3, then you'll get what? 9. If you'll divide 18 by 3, then you'll get what? 6. So 7 I have got. 7 is a prime number, so we have to stop. Okay, so we have to see right now left side and right side. Okay, if you want to find out the value of HCF, you have to see what? Left side. Okay, what the left side we have? 2 into 3. That means 2 into 3 if you will do, then you will get what? 6. Okay. If you want to find out the value of LCM, that means we have to what? We have to see? We have to see left side also and the right side also. What the left side we have? 2 into 3. And what the right side we have? We have 7 into 9 into 6. Okay, if you multiply, then you'll get what? 2268. Okay, that is your LCM. So what the HCF we have? 6. And what the LCM we have? 2268. Okay, see the more question. What the number we have? We have 12, 15 and 21. So 12, 15 and 21 is divisible by 3. So we have to divide with 3. So what we have got? We have got what? 4, 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are the prime numbers, so we have to stop. Okay, so let's see the left side and the right side. What the left side we have? We have only 3. So HCF is what? 3. Okay, what the LCM we have? We have to see left side and the right side also. What the left side we have? We have 3. And what the right side we have? That is 4 into 5 into 7. So if you multiply all the numbers, then you'll get what? 420. Okay, I want to tell you everyone that to check HCF and LCM is correct or not, you have to see one thing. Okay, the LCM can be divided by HCF. Okay, the LCM is not divisible by HCF, then it is wrong, and if it is divisible, then it is correct. Okay, see the next question. There is 17, 23 and 29. As we know that 17 is a prime number, 23 is also a prime number. Okay, and 29 is also a prime number. All are the prime number. The prime number can't be divided by any number, so 1 will be your HCF. That means 1 can divide 17 also, 23 also and 29. So HCF will be what? 1. And what will be the LCM? LCM will be 17 into 23 into 29. So 17 into 23 into 29 if you do, then you will get what? 1139. Okay, the full form of LCM is least common multiple. Okay, and the full form of HCF is highest common factor. Okay, there is the difference between LCM and HCF is here is multiple and here is factor. Okay, the factor means the number the HCF can divide all the given numbers. Okay, and the LCM, that means the multiple means that number that will come all the multiples. That means the LCM can come all in the given numbers. Okay, I want to tell you one more thing, that the full form of LCM is least common multiple, that is called lowest common multiple also. Okay, and HCF, that means highest common factor is given. Sometime we are saying in the state of HCF, that is GCD. Okay, and HCM. I want to tell you everyone that I will make a details video for the LCM and HCF. Okay, on that video I will tell you how many types of methods to find out the HCF and LCM, that is factorization method, long division method, equal division method, the LCM of the fraction number, okay, the HCF of the fraction number, etc. So please watch my videos regularly. Stay connected. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. Please keep connected.